It's a schroth racing belt for 2010 WRX. Mounts to the factory points. It's got a quick connect. Goes through the factory seats. When you're not using it, you can strap behind the seat. This is what it looks like in the front when you're not using it. You can still use the factory belts. And this is it around the front. 4-point rally belt from Schroth Racing. Works great. I already tried it out. Keeps you tight in your seat. Great for those back roads. And you can still use your factory belt. Everything's still in. You can see. You just slip it behind you when you're done. Later.